Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Ethereum from your Tangem wallet to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that transferring assets securely is key, especially with the evolving tech in the blockchain space. This step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and safely, whether you're a beginner or a pro. First things first, why use Tangem Wallet? It's a hardware wallet that's ultra secure, protecting your Ethereum from hacks and errors. And Bitmart? It's a popular exchange for trading and storing your crypto. Let's dive in. Before you start, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device, some Ethereum in your wallet, and a verified Bitmart account with your deposit address handy. Oh, and always double-check network fees. Ethereum transactions can get pricey with gas fees in 2025. So plan accordingly to avoid surprises. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and unlock it using your PIN or biometric authentication. This adds an extra layer of security. Once inside, navigate to your Ethereum holdings. Select the amount you want to send. Remember, don't send more than you need. Step 2. Tap on the Send button and enter the Bitmart wallet address. Pro tip: copy and paste the address directly from your Bitmart account to avoid any typos, which could lead to lost funds forever. Also, ensure you're on the Ethereum network. Mixing up chains is a common mistake. Step 3. Review the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and recipient address. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to approve it on your Tangem device. Go ahead and do that. Once the transaction is broadcasted, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to confirm, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitmart account to see when the ETH arrives. And there you have it. That's how you send Ethereum from Tangem to Bitmart in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.